Hi guys, today I am going to say about the ambiguous grammar. What is meant by ambiguous grammar and how to construct the ambiguous grammar. First of all, see the definition. A grammar which has more than one LMD or more than one RMD is called as ambiguous grammar. Here, LMD and RMD means LMD means leftmost derivation and RMD means rightmost derivation. In my previous video, I clearly explained that what is meant by derivation and how many types of derivations are there, and I explained each and every derivation with one example. Before seeing the ambiguous grammar, please refer to that video. I already posted the link in the description. Let us see how to construct the ambiguous grammar. Example here I took that E has productions E plus 1, E plus E or E into E or ID. Then we need to construct the string ID plus ID into ID. So first of all check for the LMD. Here we need to have more than one LMD. That means more than one leftmost derivation. If we have more than one leftmost derivation, then it is known as ambiguous grammar. First of all, I am trying for leftmost derivation, first one. Let us take the production E plus E. Here, E tends to E plus E. That means we need to represent the place of E from the left side. This is the left side. So, in place of E, I replace that with ID. Then again, here we need to get that in the form of ID into ID. That means in place of E, I took that E into E. Then again, by step, I replaced the E with ID. So at last, I got the string which they gave to prove it. Then now check for next LMD. In this LMD, I took E tends to. That means E productions E into E. Here also the same thing. Here we need to get ID plus ID. So in place of this E from left side only, I took E plus E. In place of E's, now I just replaced them with IDs. So at last I got the string which I want. So we can say that the grammar, this is the given grammar which has more than one LMD. See guys, here we have two LMDs. So it is known as ambiguous grammar. See, I already drawn the parse tree for it. The same thing, E tends to E plus and E. In place of E's, I replaced with the productions. So the same thing I represented here. If you have any doubt, then check for RMD. How we will prove that more than one RMD it has. See, first RMD, E tends to same, E plus E. RMD means we need to take from right side, rightmost derivation. So, E plus E into E. Then replace from right side into ID. E plus ID into ID. ID plus ID into ID. We got one RMD. Then let's check for second RMD. If it has two RMDs, then it is known as ambiguous grammar. The second RMD is E tends to E into E. Then, see guys, we got the string. That means it has more than one RMD. So it is known as ambiguous grammar. We just need to prove that it has either more than one LMD or either more than one RMD. So if you have any doubt, then just draw the parse tree for it. Then it will be clear for you. So this is about the ambiguous grammar. I think you all are understood very well. If you have any doubts, then please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video.